IAS Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, to address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Minister, Chief Guest of today's function, Honorable Ministers and MLAs seated in the dais, dignitaries of the dais, entrepreneurs in the state. I deem it a privilege to be here. It is my third day in the state. I have just joined recently. But I'm very happy that these two bright schemes have come my way in the very beginning. The first one, you got a presentation on this raising and accelerating MSME performance. This is more of a soft intervention scheme where we look at capacity building, market linkages and all. But the real meat of the scheme is in the Unnati scheme. Now that is something, and I'm so happy to see that a scheme has been tailor-made only for the Northeast. Normally what happens is Government of India schemes are made pan-India, and then states in the Northeast find it very difficult to access funds. And most of the time we end up spending only 20-30% of what is allocated. The bigger states tend to enjoy more and they get the major chunk of the budget. But this scheme is a very good scheme in the sense that it is focused only on Northeast. It has, if you have seen the presentation carefully, two components. One is a reserved component, just about I think 345 crore out of 6,000 crore, but a whole 6,000 crore up for grabs by anybody who is performing better. Now I would straight away give a target to my Principal Secretary Industry that we should not fall short anywhere below 1,500 crore. 345 is what you will get if you do a normal course of business. But looking at the number of people here, looking at the kind of things which are coming up in the state, I think 1,500 crore access should not be a problem if we all move together in tandem. Let me also tell you that yesterday was my second day, and luckily for me, the industry DPID secretary is a very good friend. So I spoke to him that, look, your consultant has come here to brief us, but that will not suffice. Let us first understand the scheme, let us all explain to all of you. Then maybe by end of January or by the first week of February, I have asked for a bigger team from DPIIT to come and interact individually with the entrepreneurs. It will not be as part of a function, but maybe yes, we can have smaller groups divided into sectors and then do the hand-holding properly. Because the faster we move, the better it is, because other states are also trying to, eye that chunk of 6,000 crore. Thereafter, we'll quickly move the first round of proposals and try and access further. So let's be all prepared. Please be on the lookout. I would request the scheme guidelines must be available in on the website, and you can contact the industry department. Any kind of further assistance required, you can meet them and find out. I would also say that of late Manipur has been in the national news for all the wrong reasons. But let us take advantage of that. A lot of people have come to know about the state. I mean, I look at it that way. People who are not even aware of Manipur, today talk of Manipur. And there are a lot of people, there are a lot of philanthropic organizations, there are a lot of helping hands who would at this stage help us all to develop and establish market linkages. That is most important. I've seen most of the products, because I was gifted a lot of products for welcoming me. The quality has really gone up. It all depends on how you package, how you do standardization, what quality you observe. The only missing link is market linkage. That I think we have to work very closely, and we'll lend all support to all the entrepreneurs here. We will do some kind of a mechanism. I just discussed with Honorable Chief Minister that we'll have some kind of mechanism to fast track this process, because this is something which is beneficial to all the young people of the state, all the bright, qualified, aspiring people of the state, and I'm sure that we'll go a long way in this. I think that is all from my side. We'll hear more from our dignitaries on the dais. But let me tell you, the doors are all open. Anytime there's any problem, feel free to write to me. We have to carry this scheme forward to success. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, respected Chief Secretary, Sir, Shri Prasanth Kumar Singh, IAS, for your motivating and forward-looking words.